Hello students, today we are studying our next unit, that is Introduction to Analytical Chemistry, in which first we see what is meant by analytical chemistry. Analytical chemistry is the branch of chemistry which deals with the study of separation, identification, qualitative and quantitative determination of the compositions of different substances is called as analytical chemistry. Analytical chemistry facilitates the investigation of chemical compositions of substances. Means what exactly the chemical combination of that substance. Okay. Next is it uses the instruments and methods to separate, to identify and quantify the matter. Means the instrument used in the analytical methods are used for separation, identification and what is the exact quantity of that matter, to separate out, to identify and to quantify the matter. The analysis thus provide chemical and physical information about the sample. Chemical information means what is exactly the chemical combination of that matter or substances, and physical information means its state, solubility, etc. Analysis may be quantitative or qualitative. The analysis provide both the information, that is qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative analysis concern with the detection of presence or absence of elements in the compound and mixtures of compounds. Qualitative gives the idea about presence and absence of elements in the compound, while quantitative analysis deals with the relative proportions of elements. Means in how much proportion the elements are present in compounds or mixture of compounds. In short, qualitative gives the idea about presence and absence of elements in the compound, and quantity decide the relative proportion of elements. Importance of analytical chemistry. The course of analytical chemistry extend the knowledge by acquiring the students in studying the general organic and inorganic chemistry. Means analytical chemistry is helpful in studying the general organic and inorganic chemistry as well. Next importance is monitoring the composition of raw materials, intermediates and finished products, means final products, and also the composition of air in streets and premises of industrial plants. While in agriculture, chemical analysis is used to determine the composition of soils and fertilizers. In medicine, to determine the medicinal proportions, the composition of medicinal proportions. Analytical chemistry has application in forensic science, engineering and industry. The industrial process as a whole and the production of new kinds of material are closely associated with the analytical chemistry. Now, analytical chemistry consists of classical wet chemical methods and modern instrumental methods. Means analytical chemistry are of two types, in which First is chemical method and second is instrumental method. Analysis is carried out on a small sample of the material to be tested and not the entire bulk. Means a very small sample, means very small quantity is required to analyze the entire product or substance. Next is when the amount of solid or a liquid sample in few grams, means a small quantity, then the analysis is called as semi-micro analysis, and it is of two types, quantitative and qualitative. Analysis are of two types, qualitative and quantitative. While the classical qualitative analysis methods include separation such as precipitation, extraction and distillation. Means qualitative analysis include separation such as, while precipitation, extraction and distillation. While the quantitative analysis include volumetric and gravimetric analysis. Okay. The identification based on the difference of color, odor, melting point, boiling point and reactivity. Classical quantitative analysis of volumetric and gravimetric analysis. Next point is chemical methods of qualitative analysis. Chemical analysis of a sample is carried out in mainly two stages. Two stages of chemical analysis are there. First is dry method and second is wet method. Now, by the dry method, in which the sample under the test is not dissolved, and by the wet method, in which the sample under the test first dissolved and then analyzed to determine its composition. The dry method is usually used as the preliminary test in the qualitative analysis. In semi-micro qualitative analysis, means when the amount of a solid or a liquid in few grams, then it is called as semi-micro qualitative analysis. Now, the apparatus used for the qualitative analysis is semi-micro qualitative analysis is test tubes, beaker, evaporating dish, crucible, spot plate, watch glass, wire gauze, water bath, burner, blowpipe, pair of tongs and centrifuge. By using these apparatus, semi-micro qualitative analysis can be carried out. And in qualitative analysis of organic and inorganic compounds involves different types of test. The qualitative analysis of organic and inorganic compounds involve different types of tests, in which the majority of organic compounds are composed of relatively small number of elements. The elements most important elements are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, halogen, phosphorus. While the elementary qualitative analysis is concerned with the detection of presence of these elements. The qualitative analysis of organic compounds, in which most used elements are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, halogen and phosphorus. And elementary qualitative analysis concerned with the detection of presence of these elements, while the identification of organic compound involve tests such as detection of functional group, determination of melting and boiling point. While in case of inorganic compounds, it involves the detection and confirmation of cationic and anionic species. We call them as acidic and basic radicals. Next is chemical methods of quantitative analysis, in which first is determination of percent constituent element. Means we can determine the percent constituent of elements, and second, the concentration of known compounds in the given sample. Quantitative analysis of simple inorganic compounds involve the methods are based on decomposition reaction. Inorganic compounds in which decomposition reaction, which is called as gravimetric analysis, and second is progress of reaction between the two solutions till its completion. We can call it as a volumetric. The quantitative analytical method involve the measurement of such quantities as mass and volume by means of some equipments or apparatus. We call them as a weighing machine and burette. And in case of qualitative analysis, we use apparatus such as beakers, evaporating dish, crucible, watch glass and wire gauze.